Maestro Studio Tutorial, Features and Installation Guide for macOS. What is Maestro Studio? Maestro Studio is a powerful automation and workflow tool designed to help users streamline tasks, manage processes, and boost productivity through smart automation. It's especially useful for creators, developers, and teams who want to reduce manual work and build more efficient workflows. Key features of Maestro Studio. Workflow automation. Easily automate repetitive tasks. User-friendly interface. Clean and intuitive design, perfect for beginners. Dashboard integration. Manage all your workflows directly from the Maestro dashboard. Cloud Sync. Access your workflows across multiple devices. Google sign-in support. Fast and simple account setup. Scalable automation. Ideal for both basic and advanced use cases. How to install Maestro Studio on macOS. Follow these simple steps to install Maestro Studio on your Mac. Step 1. Visit the official website. Open your web browser and go to the official Maestro Studio website. Click the Install Maestro Studio button located at the top right corner. Step 2. Download the installer. After clicking Install, you'll be redirected to the Download section. Click on the Maestro Studio DMG file and the download will start automatically. Step 3. Install the application. Once the download is complete, open the DMG file. An installation window will appear. Drag and drop Maestro Studio into the Applications folder. Step 4. Launch Maestro Studio. Open Launchpad, find Maestro Studio, and click on it to launch the app. Step 5. Security permission. First launch only. The first time you open Maestro Studio, macOS may display a security prompt. Simply click Open to continue. Signing in to Maestro Studio. When Maestro Studio opens, you'll be prompted to sign in to the Maestro dashboard. You can either continue with Google or create a new account. Once registration is complete, you can close the browser and return to Maestro Studio. You're now ready to start using the software. Wrapping up. And that's it for today's update. If you'd like a complete workflow setup or an advanced automation guide, drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments. It really helps, and tap the bell icon for instant updates. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.